Take me walking. Come on, take me walking. Ahí listo, la bici.
What about one together?
Oh my god.
Skills at skillsmethod.com, danceflowseduction.com. Shout out to the hostler, busters, players, pimp, puas, natural, gigolos, mags, playboys, fuckboys, scumbags. Fuck it. Everybody. Oh, time for this shit. Hey guys, this is a quick video I'm gonna make on the style. I've been playing around with the gym wallet chain, chain. I took the idea from Magic Fox. I mean, he's always been dressing like that. I model Magic Fox when it comes to style. Because he's older, he has kind of my body type when I'm in shape and shit like that, when I'm slim. And I like his style. It's fresh, simple. I like it simple. So playing with the jean chains. The results are positive, but I don't know if it's the jean chain. Could be causation correlation. I'm still, especially with the European girls. I'm getting more attraction from European girls. I noticed that lately, but I don't know. It could be causation correlation. I don't know what the fuck it is. Romanian, England girls, shit like that. Miss Skills like it. She said it. I mean, I think it peacocks a little bit, but I don't really have an opinion 100% because the seducers have the problem. The problem with the seducers is that we, again, like I told you in the last video, we have a little bit more above average field experience, above average game, because we've seen a lot of things over and over and over. We have a lot of experience. So a lot of times we either get out of shape, or we don't look the best, and it's because the things we do still work. So we're like a little blindsided, like I gained a lot of weight, man. So I didn't even notice because my game was still working, So that's another thing, guys. You always gotta check your scale, okay? Now I'm a little bit back in shape. I'm not still in the shape that I was like 3 months ago, but I'm just. This time I'm taking it serious. I'm not gonna fuck it up again. The key is just to weight yourself every morning, right? Make sure every morning you weight yourself, because sometimes, again, since you're a seducer, since you're good with women, and you're still getting girls, you're still fucking girls, and you're still getting attraction, you don't know that, oh shit, I got fat, because you're seeing yourself every day. But anyways, guys, back on topic. Okay, I want you to go. Field test the jean chain, guys. This is more for the guys that dress a little bit more like, like more like preppy, more like the masculine sexy stereotype, like me, more like preppy or rocker stereotype. Okay. So anyways, guys, I don't have an opinion. This video is for you guys, just to let you know that I'm doing that, and so far it's positive results. The girls don't talk about it, but I just I can tell something is different. Okay, my skills like it, and I want you guys to test it, just to let me know, because I may be off. Okay, it could be causation correlation. So just let me know, guys. Okay, remember, guys, look at my video on style. Okay, remember, melt cleavage, be in shape, don't get lazy like me, like I was in the last couple of months. Shit, my skill is calling me now. And just field test the jean chain and let me know your results. I'm curious about it, okay? Out. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. My bad. Like, subscribe, get the book if you don't like it. Suck on my left note, because my right one is the reproductive. Get the fuck out.